we're to lay down our pan, right?
Yes. So we've gone over the different pieces that come in the pan, and I'm just going to install this. It's already been pre-treated. We've already combed out our substrate, and the pan has been back buttered. So basically, what you do is you lay the pan into its mud bed, like so. That's it. Other than that, you want to walk it in a little bit, make sure that it's bedded properly, like you would any large format piece of tile. But that is the process. This process would take in upwards of 45 minutes to do with a mud scenario, making sure that you're properly leveled, making sure that your perimeter is set with the mud, and then of course screeding down to the drain itself. It can take some guys less time, but the process is pretty laborious. With the Hydroban preformed shower pan, it takes literally seconds.
That's terrific, man.